Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to integrate PayPal with WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, make sure that you are on your admin panel or admin dashboard in your WordPress website. After that, we will need just to integrate the PayPal plugin within the WooCommerce shop or store. So simply we need just to go to plugins, and from here we will need to add a new plugin. So basically we need just to click on add new plugin. From there we need just to search for PayPal and just wait for the page to load, and from there we will find the list of all the payments or all the things that we can to install. As you can see, this is a WooCommerce PayPal payments. So simply we need just to click on install now, and as you can see we can find all the process on how to use it, etc. So those are the requirements, the installation process, and then how you can also set up in the configuration. So after that, now we will need to activate our plugin, and simply you will just wait for the plugin to be activated. And as you can see, PayPal payment is almost ready and you need to connect your account. So after you connect your account, from here, we need just to search for PayPal. As you can see, you can start going to the WooCommerce settings. From there, you can go to payments and you can start searching for PayPal. So as you can see, PayPal payments is almost ready, and all you need to do is to activate a button on the account setup page. So let's just go to it, and from there you will need just to activate your PayPal by adding your account there. So as you can see in the payments, we can find the account setup. You will need just to connect your PayPal, and that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.